Hi, I'm Becky Watson from musicforwellness.net on this beautiful sunny day in Norfolk, Virginia along the Lafayette River. Today I'm going to sing a song called Moonlight River because I do miss my clients. During this COVID-19, I'm not able to see my clients and I miss making music with them. So I thought I'd bring music to you and to let you know that I'm offering online music therapy sessions and also online piano lessons for beginning students. So here's my song to you as I really do miss you. We were sailing along on Moonlight Bay. You could hear the voices singing. They seemed to say, you have stolen my heart. Yes, you stole my heart. Now don't go away. As we sang our dear sweet songs on Moonlight Bay, on Moonlight Bay. So if you'd like to learn more, contact me via email at Becky, B-E-C-K-Y, at musicforwellness.net. We enrich the mind, body, and spirit through music.